All right, let's take a look at 145. We go up here to our directions up at the top. Find two numbers. The quotient is between, quotient being the answer. Then estimate the quotient. Excuse me. Okay, so again, I could start counting by threes to see how many times 3 goes into 41. I could go 3, 6, 9, and keep counting up until I get as close to 41 as possible. But I know that will take a while, so I'm going to jump all the way up to 10 times 3, or 10 threes, which is going to get me up to 30. And then I'm going to continue counting from there. 30, 33, that would be 11 threes. 36, that would be 12 threes. 39, and 42. Okay, so now I'm between 41. I have 39 and 42. So those are my two numbers. Remember in the directions said find two numbers the quotient is between. So I know my quotient is going to be between, well, and excuse me when I say that, 10, this would be the 11th, 12th, 13, and 14. So 13 and 14 threes. So my quotient is going to be between 13 and 14. And then I look at these two numbers, 39 and 42, and I ask myself which one is closer to 41. Well, the 42 is only 1 away. The 39 is 2 away. So my estimate then would be about 14. Okay. So same thing over here. I have 5. I could count by 5s, but I'm going to jump all the way up to 10. 10 5s, which would be 10 times 5, which is 50. Not quite as close as I'd like to get, so I'm going to jump another 10. 20 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Add my 0, that's 100. I'm still not where I need to be, so I'm going to jump up to 30. This is 100. I need to get up to 192 times 5. It's going to be 150. I'm getting a little closer. So from here, if I wanted to, I could count by 5s, but I'm going to go up to 40 and check that real quick. That's going to be 200. Okay, so now that's very close. So I'm going to say, if I start at, let's go between 30 and 40. Yeah, let's go ahead and use those. Well, I mean, we're just finding estimates. So 30 and 40 would be my two numbers. Remember the directions said find two numbers the quotient is between. So the answer is going to be between 30 and 40. Then estimate my quotient. My estimate is going to be about 40 because 200 is much closer to 192 than 150 is. So that's going to be my estimate, the other part of the question or the problem. Okay, so down here on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, they're asking you to do the exact same thing that I just showed you how to do in this problem. So I'm looking for two numbers that the quotient or the answer is between, and then I'm estimating the quotient. Okay. So again, here I could count by 7s, but I'm going to see pretty quickly that 10 times 7 is going to be 70. And then if I continue to count by 7s, 77. Another 7, let's see, 84. Oh, I'm getting close. Another 7 would be 91. So that was 10 7s, 11 7s, 12, and 13. So my answer is going to be between 13 and 14. Because see, this was 10 7s, 70 is 10 7s, 77 is 11 7s, 84 is 12 7s, 91 is 13 7s, Oh, I'm sorry. So, yeah, good thing I did that, because my answer is between 12 and 13. And then I see 91 is very close to 90. It's only one away, so my estimate is going to be about 13. And I know my 13 doesn't look very good, but we have audio, so you can hear that what that number is supposed to be is 13. So again, I've done a number of examples for you. Now I want you to go ahead and do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 on your own. If you have a question, please raise your hand. Or, even better, go back and rewatch some of the video and see if you can figure out how to do it on your own with the instruction that I just gave you in the video. So go back, rewind, rewatch, and try starting with the same steps I did. All right, thank you. Again, raise your hand, take initiative if you have a question, but also focus. Have a can-do attitude. You can go back and rewatch and teach yourself as well through the video.